Welcome to TechXplorer, where we explore the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Redmi's Turbo 4, a flagship phone that's all about speed, power, and performance. The Redmi Turbo 4 boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, a 50MP triple camera system capable of 8K video recording, and a massive 6000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. But is it just another flagship killer, or does it truly deliver on all fronts? Let's find out. The Redmi Turbo 4 is designed for those who want both style and substance. Its sleek design features a glass back panel with a matte finish that resists fingerprints while reflecting light beautifully. The phone is available in three stunning colors: carbon black, ice blue, and electric red. Despite housing a massive 6000 mAh battery, the phone remains surprisingly slim at just 8.9mm and weighs around 210 grams. It feels solid and premium in hand, thanks to its aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Turbo 4 also comes with an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water, a feature that ensures durability in everyday use. One of the highlights of the Redmi Turbo 4 is its 6.67-inch AMOLED display. With a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels, it offers sharp details, vivid colors, and deep blacks that make everything look stunning. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming, while the 1500 nits peak brightness guarantees excellent outdoor visibility. The display also supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, making it a treat for binge watchers and gamers alike. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, the Turbo 4's display delivers a top-notch visual experience. Powering the Redmi Turbo 4 is the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, built on a 4nm architecture. This chipset is designed for flagship performance, delivering lightning-fast speeds and exceptional efficiency. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, the Turbo 4 ensures seamless multitasking and ultra-fast data access. From demanding games like Genshin Impact to editing 4K videos, this phone handles it all effortlessly. The Adreno 750 GPU enhances gaming performance, offering smooth frame rates and stunning graphics. Plus, the advanced cooling system keeps the device cool during extended gaming sessions, ensuring consistent performance under heavy loads. Redmi has equipped the Turbo 4 with an impressive 50MP triple camera setup that delivers exceptional photography and videography capabilities. The 50MP primary sensor features optical image stabilization, OIS, ensuring sharp and detailed shots, even in low-light conditions. The 8MP ultrawide lens lets you capture expansive landscapes and group photos, while the 2MP macro sensor is perfect for close-up details. Video enthusiasts will love the 8K video recording capability, which offers unmatched clarity and detail. AI enhancements such as real-time HDR, Night Mode 2.0, and Portrait Mode further elevate the camera experience. The 16MP front camera is no slouch either, delivering clear and vibrant selfies with AI-powered beautification and HDR support. Battery life is where the Redmi Turbo 4 truly shines. The 6000 mAh battery ensures you can easily get through a full day of heavy use, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. When it's time to recharge, the 120W Hypercharge technology gets the job done in just 19 minutes. If you prefer wireless charging, the phone supports 50W fast wireless charging, making it one of the fastest in its category. Plus, The reverse wireless charging feature lets you top up other devices on the go. With this level of power and charging speed, battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past. The Redmi Turbo 4 runs on MIUI 15, based on Android 14, offering a sleek and intuitive interface. The software includes powerful features like Game Turbo Mode, which optimizes performance for gaming, and AI-powered photo editing, which enhances your images with a single tap. The always-on display can be customized to reflect your style, while features like split-screen multitasking and floating windows make productivity a breeze. Xiaomi has also minimized bloatware, ensuring a clean and responsive user experience. With 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches, the Turbo 4 promises long-term software support. The Redmi Turbo 4 is packed with connectivity options, including 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring you're always connected. The phone also features dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering rich and immersive audio for music, movies, and gaming. The in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock provide fast and secure access to your device. With these features, Redmi ensures the Turbo 4 is ready for anything. Priced at around $599, the Redmi Turbo 4 offers incredible value for money, competing with devices like the Poco F7 Ultra and Realme GT6. Its combination of a flagship processor, stunning display, excellent cameras, and blazing fast charging makes it a strong contender in the upper mid-range segment. For those looking for a phone that delivers top-tier performance without breaking the bank, the Turbo 4 is an excellent choice. So, is the Redmi Turbo 4 worth your attention? Absolutely. With its powerful performance, incredible cameras, and industry-leading charging speeds, it's a device that ticks almost every box. While it may lack wireless charging at higher wattages or a periscope zoom lens, these are minor trade-offs for what it delivers overall. What do you think about the Redmi Turbo 4? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth reviews and the latest tech updates. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.